Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed a massive rally in Badaun on Saturday, scheduled to go to the polls on February 15. He hit out at Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav's Kaam Bolta Hai slogan, saying that even a child knows it's Karnama or misdeeds that Akhilesh was speaking of. Targeting the SP Congress alliance, the Prime Minister charged that the two families had come together in the state to hide their failures. PM Modi said Badaun had the patronage of both the Samajwadi Party's Yadav clan and the BSP Supremo Mayawati, but is still ranked amongst the lowest in terms of development.
बदायूं तो बड़ा वीआईपी है, वीआईपी। हिंदुस्तान के जितने जिले हैं उसमें सबसे बुरे हाल जिन जिलों के हैं, ऐसे सबसे बुरे हाल वाले 100 जिलों में एक जिला बदायूं का नाम है, बदायूं का।
The PM also highlighted how political parties, which were earlier opposed to each other, were now coming together on the issue of corruption because they could not stomach the central government's war against black money. He also suggested that there was corruption in recruitment drives in the state and many capable and honest people were denied jobs. He also alleged there was corruption in mining contracts in Badaun. On the issue of women's security, the PM said, when the BJP comes to power, it will set up 3 women battalions for the safety and security of girls, which would be named after Jhalkari Bhai, Uda Devi and Avanti Bai. Turning his attention to Uttarakhand, which goes to the polls on February 15, Prime Minister Narendra Modi campaigned in Rudrapur. He slammed the opposition for asking for proof of the surgical strikes and highlighted efforts taken by the centre to remove corruption and black money. He urged the people of Uttarakhand to vote for the BJP for development of the hill state.
आज मेरी देवभूमि हिमालय की ऊंचाइयों पर है, लेकिन ये राजनीति ने ऐसे गड्ढे में डाला हुआ है, ऐसे गड्ढे में डाला है, इसको बाहर निकालने के लिए 2-2 इंजन लगाने पड़ेंगे, 2-2 इंजन। एक उत्तराखंड की भाजपा सरकार इंजन और दूसरी केंद्र में मोदी सरकार का इंजन, 2 इंजन लगेंगे, तब जाकर के उत्तराखंड ये गड्ढे में से बाहर आएगा।
Expressing happiness over the results of Legislative Council elections, he said 3 seats declared on Saturday went in favor of the BJP, indicating things to come.
3 सीटों का नतीजा आया आज एमएलसी का चुनाव का। तीनों की तीनों सीटें गठबंधन के बावजूद भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी जीत गई। ये हवा का रुख कहां है, इसका ये सैंपल सर्वे था। एमएलसी के चुनाव में तीनों सीटों पर भव्य विजय। उत्तर प्रदेश में भी 11 मार्च को क्या नतीजा आने वाला है, उसकी संदेश अभी उसने दे दिया है।
The PM was warmly greeted by thousands of supporters. He stressed on the fight against black money and corruption. He said it was tough, but he liked playing with danger because those who had looted the common man's money would not be spared. PM Modi said that the BJP wants the youth to be employed, farmers to have access to proper irrigation, children to have access to good education, and the elderly access to good medicines. Bureau Report, DD News.